Alright guys, welcome back. So in today's video we have a question where x times 256 to the power of x is equal to 1 and we need to figure out the value of the x. So first of all, we're going to divide each side of the equation by x. Consider we have to keep in mind that the denominator here cannot be 0. Let's see if x is equal to 0 is one of the answers, and if we do that we'll have 0 times 256 to the 0, which would be basically 0 times this will be 1, which is 0, and this is not equal to 1. That means our x cannot be 0. So we can divide this equation by x. So we on the left side will end up with 256 to the power of x is equal to 1 over x. And what we're going to do in here is that we're going to call 1 over x is y, which means our x is equal to 1 over y. So here we have 256 to the power of x, which is 1 over y, and on the other side of the equation is 1 over x, which we called it y. And what we're going to do in here is that we're going to do a power y on each side in order to get rid of the ratio that we have for the exponent of 256. From the laws of exponent, we know when we have a to the m to the power of n, this will be equal to a to the m times n. So this is our m, this is our n. So basically we can multiply these two. So 256 to the power of 1 over y times y, which will be 1. On the other side we have y to the y. So this 2 will be cancelled out, and what we're going to get is that y to the y is equal to 256, as we talked about in the previous videos. So it's good to memorize the different exponents of 2 from 1 to 10 ideally. And if we do that, we'll see that 256 is actually 2 to the power of 8. But what we need in here, we have to have the same base and exponent in order to get or figure out our y. So what we can do in here is that we can write the 8 that we have as 4 times 2. And if we use the laws of exponent that we talked about earlier, we can write this down as 2 squared to the power of 4. And from here we know that 2 squared is 4, and what we have is y to the y is equal to 4 to the 4, meaning our y is 4. But keep in mind that this is not over. What we called y was 1 over x, meaning our x is 1 over y, or 1 over 4. So yeah, that would be the final answer for this question. Let me know if you have any other solutions to solve this question, and feel free to drop your questions in the comment. I'd be happy to discuss them with you guys in the comment section. You guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.